Hey y'all, so welcome back to my channel, and I'm back with another video today. As you can see from the title down below, your girl is trying the fruit, what is it? Oh, the fruit roll up little, trend right now. So I wanted to show y'all because I'm in Jamaica and I'm doing it, so I had to go to this store just to find this fruit roll up because fruit roll ups are not in all the stores. So I had to go and find one, and I got me some ice cream from Lucky Waffle. If you come, Lucky Waffle is the bomb.com. So I got, what ice cream I got cookies and cream and vanilla. Probably can't see for real, but vanilla and cookies and cream, nice. So just get straight into the video because today I'm going to be I have a nail appointment. I'm about to get my toes done, my eyebrows done, and yeah, so I want to do this before I leave. So here the fruit roll up. Let me see. Oh, this is a little nice flavor too. Okay, so we about to see. So today is hot as hell out here, so let's see. So I've been wanting to try this forever, but I told y'all I had to go to a store to have them. So yeah, here's the fruit roll up. So I only got like 2 or 3, so I gotta make it count. So fruit roll up. So I'm gonna put the ice cream in the middle, how I saw on there. Okay, so this is why I saw them put it like that. Then so I saw them roll it up. It's not perfect, but what I'm gonna do is, because it looked crazy, I'm gonna go put it in the freezer real quick. Because I need to make sure this work, and I'm be right back. Because I don't have that many fruit roll-ups, I said I'm gonna put it in the freezer so I can make sure it works. Like, it's really hard, so let's see. Y'all, hold on. Wait, I need another. Hold on, I need another bite. Let me see. Yeah. If y'all know me, y'all know I'm a sweet head. I love anything sweet. This right here, that's the 10 out of 10. I'm gonna go buy me some more fruit roll ups today, y'all. It's the 10 out of 10. Alright. It's busting. I gotta go though, because I gotta make it to my appointment on time. So I'll see y'all at the nail salon. Okay y'all, so this is what I got on to go to the nail salon. Something just chill, because I know I have to, like, pull my what's it called, up. Hold on. But yeah, I know that it'll be a situation where I'll have to eventually, like, pull my pants up. So I got on like this with some yoga pants. So yeah, I'm out of here because I'm late as fuck. I'm sorry. Be sure that the ladies are friends, and if I ever fall.
shot take picture. There's some funny place. Never got some place or some people like they walk over here. I don't even think they ask.
You could try it. I'll try the food.
Smell like a candle shop.
Ooh.
They smell like a
Where'd you go?